Alright, YouTube, Fuzz the Pi Guy here. I'm going to show you how to disable your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on a Raspberry Pi 3. First thing you need to do is we need to go to this config file. So once you type that in, we'll hit enter. Then we'll scroll down to the bottom. And at the bottom, you're going to put in the following. Starting with this is what we're going to put in. Then once you're done, you want to do a Control X, hit Y for yes, then hit enter. And once you do that, restart your Pi, reboot your Pi, and you should be good to go. I'll put these commands in the description. So other than that, that's all you need to do. Then you should be good to go and won't have to worry about it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.